little story about a Friday night. Buck wild.
Dang, son, I can't get a bless you.
Anyway, I was straight out illin'. Why do I say so? Cause yo, my girl was home chillin'.
Who you talking to, my nigga? Cause I don't know you, fam. This ain't what you want.
I don't know who raised you, but when I sneeze, you supposed to bless me.
First of all, fam, I don't even know you, cuz. The only one sending out blessings is Jesus.
But you need to pray to God and pray that I don't put these hands on you.
Nobody's scared of your hands, fam. What you 5'4"? 5.4 ounces? You're nobody, fam. I eat niggas like you. No homo.
Now I'm finna throw them like I don't want them.
Do I look like a thrift store nigga? Do I want your stuff? You keep your stuff, dog, okay? This ain't Big Lots, my nigga. This is Walmart. Super Center. I'm serving out 2-piece dinners, all right? I got your red beans and rice right here, all right? You want a Coke? Nah! You want a Sprite? Nah! Nigga!
I don't even like Coke.
Hey, bump that, man. I'm done talking, all right? It's time to put these words to action.
But let's get it then, son. What up?
Ah!
No.